Hello friends, today in this video I will tell you about English learning, that how can we get benefit of social media, because on social media a lot of stuff is uploaded in English language also, and there we can watch videos in English language, also we can read the articles in English language. And main thing that whenever we are non-native and we want to learn English language, especially whatever application we use them in our native language. Instead of using those applications in our native language, we should make friends on social media of English language, so that you can chat with them in English language. In this way you will improve your speaking skills. And also sometimes whenever you go to YouTube, download some English language videos, and offline you can also watch them offline. Download them, and whenever you get the time, watch them offline. Listen those videos again and again. I also do this. I download a video offline, and then whenever I because I don't have signals at every place, so whenever I was out of signals, I used to watch those offline videos. I used to listen those our videos, because when again and again we listen to those videos, the sentences those were spoken in those videos will be memorized by us. In this way, you one day probably you will be able to speak fluent English, because to speak fluent English it requires the practice. Without a practice, if you have a lot of vocabulary in your mind, you have learned a lot of things, you have read a lot of books of English language, but when you don't have practical experience, then you will not be able to speak the fluent English. For that you have to speak the English language. So start speaking English language right now, and if you don't find any friend circle to speak English language, then make videos in English language, and watch your own videos, and correct your mistakes in your next videos. In this way you will be able gradually to speak better English than before. I have seen that some people, I myself, those people have the vocabulary of words in their minds, but when to construct the sentence, they feel the problem, because they don't put words properly in the sentences, and sometimes words do not come into the mind. So for that you should increase your vocabulary. Learn some words, difficult words and their meaning on daily basis. You can learn 10 or 20 words on daily basis. In a month you will be able to learn a lot of words of English language, and in this way you will increase your vocabulary, and when your vocabulary will be increased, automatically words would come into your speech. And for speech, it is as I told you that practice is very necessary. Without doing the practice, without speaking the language, you will not be able to construct the sentences in proper way. So I have seen a lot of people, those have done MA English, those have read a lot of books, but when it comes to speak the English language, they will not be able to speak properly, or they will not be able to speak fluently. The main reason is that they don't have the practical experience of speaking the English language. When on daily basis, you should speak the English language on daily basis. Don't miss any day, and make videos, or speak with your friends, or speak monologue, speak yourself, and try to construct the sentences. Sometimes whenever you look some things, whenever you see some things, discuss on that thing, the characteristics of that thing, bad things of that, qualities, and the demerits of that thing. You can discuss, you can comment on that thing. In this way, probably slowly you will be able to speak fluent English in future. Hope you find this video useful. Please before leaving this video, subscribe to this channel so that you find our next video, and with the beautiful message that we all people are created by Almighty God, so we should love each other, and we should spread the message of peace in the world, not the message of hatred. Allow me, I Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.